Hello students. So we were doing the second chapter of the third section. Okay, I have already taught almost 80% of the chapter. Only few things are remaining. Okay, that today we are going to cover it. And the thing that we were doing, the name of the chapter is Annie with an E. Okay, this is the chapter, this is the name of the chapter. And till here Marilla lighted a candle and told Annie to follow her. So this, till up to here we have completed it. Okay, now moving further, let's get started with the rest of the things. So basically we know that what the story is all about. So just for giving you a quick remind, I would like to tell you a brief things about the. So the story is like this. Basically we are having two character here, the main characters. Okay, that means one is, you can say, Marilla, and one is you can say Matthew. Okay, so basically Marilla, okay, Marilla and Matthew, they are brother and they were the brother and sister. Fine. So what actually Marilla wanted a boy. So they wanted to adopt a boy who will help them, you can say, on their ancestor farm. That means will help as a helping hand. Okay, but accidentally what happened, that Matthew brought a girl which was around 11-year old. Okay, and the scene is like that. Okay, and conversation was going on that they wanted a boy, but right now Matthew brought that girl. So how they are going to do the thing. So when what happened at that time, the girl was listening the conversation that was going between brother and sister. Finally she feel very, you can say, depressed and sad that they don't wanted her just because he is not a boy, for that reason. Okay, so finally she was very you can say depressed, sad, and the same thing, the conversation was going on like that. Okay, so now moving further, this was a, you can say brief intro that I have in detail the things I have already covered in the first video lecture. Okay, if you want it you can go through it. Okay, after that you have to watch this part now. So basically what happened, now Marilla lighted a candle and told Annie to follow her. Now what happened, Marilla, what she did, she lighted up a candle and she asked Annie to follow her, which Annie spiritlessly did, taking her hat and carpet bag from the hall table as she passed. Now what happened, spiritlessly means in a life, you can say lifelessly man. That means she was not interested in doing that, but still she was doing it. Okay, so what happened, she followed that Marilla. Okay, what she did, she just took out the hat from the table. Okay, and also the bag from the carpet, she just took out it and she followed her, that means Marilla, in a lifeless way, in a, you can say, not interested way. Fine. The hall was fearsomely clean. The little gable chamber in which she presently found herself seems to be cleaner. Now what happened, she that girl was following that Marilla, and the place where she was right now, that was totally clean, neat and clean. So we are having that description. Marilla went slowly down to the kitchen and proceeded to wash the supper dish. Now finally what happened, Marilla, she went out, you can say went down, okay, to the kitchen, and what she did over there, she just cleaned the dishes, that means the utensil, after that means after having the supper, that means food here. Now, well, this is a pretty kettle to fish, she said wrathfully. That means we are having a pretty kettle to fish means an unpleasant situation. That means the situation is really very, you can say, sad and unpleasant type. Why? Because definitely the girl is feeling very depressed. okay, just because we right now they don't wanted her, but the situation was really very sad and you can say unpleasant. Now what fully means in an angrily manner, okay. This girl will have to be sent back to the asylum. So what happened? So that Maila said that definitely this we don't want this girl. You have to send back this girl to the asylum. That means from the to the orphanage from where you have taken it. Now, yes, I suppose so, said Matthew reluctantly. So finally, what happened? Matthew was sitting there. Okay, he was totally aside. Okay, and he said that okay, fine. I suppose, said Matthew. That means I think so, but not in a, you can say he was not really agree with this. Okay, let's see what happened next. You suppose so, don't you know it? Well, now she is a real nice little thing, Marilla. It's kind of a pity to send her back when she is so set on staying here. You know what happened? The situation is really unpleasant because you know the girl, that little girl, that was Annie, she wanted to stay there, but the thing is that Myla, she don't wanted her, but Matthew was in favor to keep that girl at their home, but the thing is that Myla was not in that favor. So the situation was like that. Now Matthew Cuthbert, you don't mean to say you think we ought to keep her? That means Matthew said that Matthew Corbett, what happened? You don't mean to say that sorry, you don't mean to say you think we ought to keep her? That means definitely I think we should keep her. That means Matthew wanted to convince, you can say, Marilla, so that they can keep the girl. Marilla astonishment could not have been greater if Matthew has expressed a predilection, okay, for standing on his head. We are having the meaning that actually, you know, the Matthew started liking that girl, okay, and he was in favor to keep that girl at their home. So Marilla had that fear that definitely what happened if that Matthew started getting attached to that girl, so that will become very difficult for them to send back the girl again to the asylum. Now we might be some good to her, said Matthew suddenly and unexpectedly. Now what happened? Matthew said that definitely I think we should be, you know, kind to her because she is an, you can say, orphan, okay. So definitely I think we should favor that girl. We should keep that girl at our home. Matthew Colbert, I believe that child has bewitched you. Bewitched means impressed you. That means Myla started saying, I think the child impressed you, okay. I can see as plain that you want to keep her. That means I can see that you wanted that this girl should remain here, okay. I have never brought up a child, especially a girl, and I dare say I will make a terrible mess of it. But what happened, you know, the conversation is like that actually they are brother and sister, okay. So they have not kept any child at their home, so it is very difficult, okay. The things will be created in a mess, okay. So the conversation was like that, and the thing is that especially about the girl child, because you know keeping a girl, so actually why they wanted the boy, you can say a baby, not baby boy, a boy, so that he can help in the ancestral farm activity. But she is a girl now, she cannot ask her to do that kind of work, okay. So the thing was like that, but I do my best. So far as I am concerned, Matthew, she may stay. So finally what happened? Finally that the Myra said that I will try to keep her, because earlier I have not kept any children at my home, at our home. So but I will try to keep her here, okay. But so finally the thing that we are having, that she will stay there. Matthew's shy face was a glow of delight Well, now I reckon you had come to see it in that light. Marilla, he said, she is such an interesting little thing. Now finally what happened when Marilla, approved that she will stay here. So there was a glow on the face of, you can say, that Matthew, that because he wanted that the girl should stay there, and the same thing happened. Okay, finally, the sister, that means his sister, got convinced with that, and they, when she approved her, there was a glow. Okay, you can say, on the face of Matthew, and he was really very happy that finally she approved that she can stay there. Okay, so the thing was like that, and the thing is that you can say Marilla said that, yeah, she is an interesting kind of girl, because she, you can say, she's very talkative kind of girl, and just because of her, Matthew has changed. Okay, in a positive way, not in a negative way. Fine. So this is all about the chapter. I have completed the whole thing. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to go through the chapter line by line. Okay, and after that, what you have to cover, you have to write down the meaning of difficult words. Okay, with the help of dictionary, and write it down in your notebook. So I think we should, one more thing I would like to discuss. Okay, the thing is that we are having pick the correct answer. Okay, which is on page number 59, that I would like to discuss with you all. Okay, this will cover in this video, and the rest of the things I am going to provide you in the form of PDF later on. So the first question is that, take the most appropriate option. Marilla was surprised because Matthew opened the door. No, this is not the answer. The girl was wearing an old dress. No, this is not the answer. This is not the answer. The girl had long red hair. No, she had expected to see a boy. This is the correct answer. Okay, but at the beginning we saw that she wanted a boy, but right now they don't have that boy, but there was a girl named Annie. Okay, so she had expected to see a boy, but the situation was something else. So okay, the fact that Matthew had come with a girl instead of boy, Marilla made, what happened? Let's see. Angry with Matthew for bringing her home, upset and angry with the girl, angry at what had happened, very sad that the girl was an orphan. I think C is the most appropriate thing, because actually she was angry that what had happened, because it's very sad that the girl, this is not the right answer. Upset and angry with the girl, no, because she don't have that personal grudges with her. Angry with Matthew for bringing, no, even not, this is not the answer, but she was angry with the thing that what had happened. Annie burst into tears because, let's see what are the options. She was tired. No, this is not the answer. She wanted to be a boy. No, I think so. Marilla spoke unkindly and unsmilingly. No, she felt she would be sent back. This is the most appropriate answer, because when she came to know that they wanted a boy, but she's a girl, so definitely they will send her back. So this was the main reason that she was crying. Now Annie asked Marilla to call her Cordelia because she felt it was more beautiful name. Okay, that was her real name. No, this is not the answer. Firstly, we will eliminate the wrong answer. It did not matter what she called. No, it made her feel happy and cheerful. I think the last option is quite appropriate, because she would like to be called as Cordelia because she felt, okay, she feel happy when somebody called by that name. We are having that line also, in which she said that, I love, if you are going to, I would love to hear that if you call me that Cordelia. Okay, so I have completed this part. Okay, that means A part. Rest of the things I am going to cover in the next thing. Okay, that means in the form of PDF I am going to provide you. Okay, so with this the chapter ends. Okay, and please go through the chapter thoroughly. We will do the rest of things in the upcoming, you can say, with the help of PDF I am going to provide you. So I hope you understood the chapter. Okay, and everything is clear now. So thank you so much.